Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact YouTube account you plan to use. This avoids cross-account confusion later. Once signed in, open the YouTube app or desktop site and tap the Create Plus button, then pick Short Camera or Upload to import your clip. Make sure your video is vertical or 16:9 cropped for shorts. Now that your clip is loaded, move to the next step to add a clickable link using descriptions and on-screen prompts. Now you paste the full YouTube link into the description field. Use the full YouTube com/watch v equals ID form so YouTube parses it correctly. If you want a specific point, append a timestamp like t equals 30s. Once pasted, add a clear call to action such as watch full video or full link below so viewers know why to click. Make sure the description stays under character limits and includes any hashtags you want. When done, proceed to thumbnail and publish settings. Finish by choosing your visibility and any audience settings. Public or unlisted determines discoverability. Before you publish, consider posting the same link in a pinned comment so it's easy to find on mobile. YouTube sometimes surfaces comments more prominently. If viewers report the link isn't clickable, double-check you used the full watch URL and that no community or age restrictions block external links. If problems persist, change the link format or make the video unlisted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.